In this video, I will show you how you can edit Word documents on any iPad. Now, if you have a Word file and if you want to edit that file, the best method to edit your Word file is to download MS Word. For that, just open the App Store and in the search bar, just search this. And from here, just install Microsoft Word on your iPad. After you install Microsoft Word, then just tap on Open and sign into your Outlook account. After you sign into your Outlook account, then just go to your home screen and open the Files app. In the Files app, just select your Word file, then tap and hold on that file and select Open With. And from here, just tap on Word. After you do that, you will open your Word document in MS Word. And from here, you can edit your Word document as you like. You can draw on your document, you can insert files to your Word document, and etc. But if you want a free alternative for MS Word, there is an app for that, and it is Apple Pages. Now, Apple Pages is most likely pre-installed on your iPad. Now, to use Apple Pages instead of MS Word, just go back to the Files app and tap and hold on your Word file. Just tap on Open With. Now, instead of MS Word, just select Pages. And after you do that, you will be able to edit your Word document using Apple Pages. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.